Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: Power Automate Desktop installed, signed in, and the target app available. Next, create a new flow and immediately add a launch or attach action so the session is live. Once done, open the browser or application and enable developer tools to inspect elements. Then add a UI automation step to capture selectors. This gives you the element references Javascript will target. Make sure to save frequently as you capture each element. Now you insert a run JavaScript or execute script action into the flow and paste your function. You should reference the selectors you captured earlier and pass dynamic values via action inputs. This is how data flows in and out. Once the code is in place, add console. Log statements to validate behavior, then structure return values as JSON so the flow can parse them. If interacting with a page, use query selector or query selector all with timeouts. After that, run a focus test to confirm results. To finish, map the JavaScript outputs into downstream actions and validate the returned JSON keys. Make sure to add waits, retries, and try/catch around the JS step so transient timing issues don't break the flow. Once complete, run the full flow end-to-end and verify state changes. If something fails, check the browser console for exceptions and confirm selectors remain stable. Flaky elements often cause failure. One key tip: add short explicit waits and requery elements before.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.